Listen, if you have to sort this data set based on, say, title, there's two ways to do it. First is to use the filter function. You select the two header like this, and you press Ctrl-Shift-L, and then this pull-down menu will come up. And now you can basically do alphabetical order, and you can get the answers here. And the other way to do it would be to use a function called SORTBY. So we're going to equal to SORTBY, and then the first argument on that SORTBY would be the entire data set itself like this. And then the second argument would be the column that you want to sort with, like this. Close parenthesis and hit enter. But the intent of this tip is not to sort based on alphabetical order. The intent is to sort based on custom order as specified here. How would you do it? Let me undo everything first. You start off with a match function. Match function searches for values from B5 to B39 within the range of E5 to E39 and returns their relative position with the exact matching and store it into an array. Then we can encapsulate the match with the SORTBY function, basically sorting data from B5 to C39 with the output from the match function. And after that, hit enter. You can see that the sorted list is sorting based on the custom order list in column E.